Hello everyone. Have you ever struggled to find the most efficient route across multiple stops? Whether you're managing deliveries, planning customer visits, or organizing a road trip, finding the optimal path can save you hours of time, gallons of fuel, and unnecessary frustration. When dealing with multiple locations, the possible route combinations quickly become overwhelming. For example, with just 10 stops, there are over 3.6 million possible routes. Finding the optimal solution manually is extremely challenging and time-consuming. In this video, I'll show you how to build a powerful route optimization tool using Google Maps API, Google Apps Script, and Google Sheets. This solution will automatically calculate the shortest possible route between all your stops. Provide total distance and travel time for your journey. Generate step-by-step directions between each location. Display your optimized route visually on Google Maps. Best of all, this solution works directly within Google Sheets, a platform you likely already use, making it accessible and practical for businesses of any size. To get started, click the link in the description to open this blog post. Scroll down until you find the link to the Google Sheets workbook, then click on it. Next, click the Make a Copy button to save a copy of the workbook to your Google Drive. Once copied, remove the existing output data. In this workbook, you need to enter the coordinates for the origin, destination, and waypoints in the latitude-longitude format. Here, waypoints refer to the intermediate stops between your origin and destination. You can easily copy the coordinates of your location from Google Maps. To do this, open Google Maps and zoom into the location. Then, right-click on the location. You'll see the coordinates appear at the top of the right-click menu. Click on the coordinates to copy them to the clipboard. Now, go to your Google Sheets workbook and paste the coordinates into the relevant cell. Similarly, you can add the coordinates of the other locations. After adding the coordinates, go to the Routing Tools custom menu, which appears next to the Help menu. Click on it and select Optimize Route. If you're using this for the first time, you'll be prompted to authorize the script to run on your account. Click OK, then select your Gmail account. Next, click Advanced, and then click on the link just below your email address. Finally, click Allow. The script will now run and return the optimized waypoint order along with several other details. The waypoint order is zero-based. To make identification easier, I have labeled the waypoints starting from 0. You can find these labels in line 6 of the Google Sheets. In this example, I use the same location for both the origin and destination of the route. In other words, I am finding the shortest path to complete the trip from the origin. In the optimized waypoint order, 0 is the first waypoint you should visit, 4 is the second, and so on. The total distance of the path is 171.14 kilometers. And you can complete the journey in 2 hours and 47 minutes under typical traffic conditions. This output also includes route details between each stop. Additionally, by clicking the map link at the bottom, you can visualize the path in Google Maps. This map displays the directions between each stop along the path with the shortest travel time. The list of destinations, ordered according to the optimized waypoint sequence, is shown in the legend. When you hover the mouse over each destination point, the corresponding place marker will appear on the map. You can share this map link with your team so they can also view the optimized route. This custom menu is created, and data is obtained from Google Maps using the app script code attached to this Google Sheets workbook. To view the code, go to Extensions and select App Script. At the beginning of the code, I have defined the name of the sheet that contains the input and output fields. If you are using a different name, you should update it here for the code to work properly. Next, I have defined the input and output ranges of the Google Sheet. If you make any changes to the template, be sure to update the relevant field ranges accordingly. For more details about the code, please visit the blog post linked in the description. I have designed this sheet to support up to 7 waypoints, but you can extend it to 23 waypoints. Let's add 2 more waypoints. First, add 2 waypoint labels. Then go to Google Maps and copy the coordinates of the new locations. Next, update the waypoint range in the app script project to include the new columns. Finally, go to Routing Tools and click Optimize Route. Now, you can see the updated path with the added waypoints. If you click the map link, you can view the updated path. Google Maps calculates these routes based on the traveling salesman problem theory. You can read more about it using the link provided in the blog post. Finding the optimal route using this method is not always straightforward, as there are several limitations in Google Maps and the Maps API. For advanced use cases, please refer to the Google Maps documentation. Thank you for watching.